Hi, let me tell you something. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful way to unlock your potential in the world of self-publishing and how you can leverage this opportunity to build a thriving business helping others achieve their publishing dreams. Imagine being able to guide aspiring authors, entrepreneurs, and creatives through the steps of successfully publishing their work on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, all without needing to create a product from scratch. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a digital marketer, or simply someone looking for a new stream of income, this opportunity is too good to ignore. Hi, this is Addie and Mark here, and on behalf of myself and my team at Mindful Effect, I'm thrilled to introduce you to our latest PLR product, Self-Publishing Kingship, a complete guide to self-publishing. This PLR package is a full-scale, step-by-step course that covers everything needed to succeed in the self-publishing world. It's designed to help people navigate the complexities of Amazon KDP and turn their writing dreams into reality. Our goal is to empower individuals like you to create a business that's both profitable and meaningful, offering you the chance to guide others to success while building your own. With private label rights, you're equipped with all the tools you need to make this happen fast. Now, let me ask you, are you ready to multiply your income and position yourself as a leader in one of the most in-demand markets? If the answer is yes, then you've landed in the right place. This is your opportunity to establish yourself in the lucrative self-publishing niche with minimal effort on your part. Not in a few months and not someday, but starting right now. The truth is, many people give up just before reaching their big break. They get overwhelmed by the complex process of product creation or struggle to position themselves effectively in a growing market. I don't want that to happen to you. Stick with me, and I'll show you how you can tap into the self-publishing boom with a complete, ready-made product that's designed to sell. Let's clear up some myths about making money online. No, you don't need to be an expert in publishing. You don't need to be a tech genius. And you definitely don't have to spend countless hours piecing together information from all over the internet. So what's the real secret to building a long-term profitable business? Take a look at the top online earners. What do they all have in common? They own their own products and courses, which is how they've established their brands and built loyal followings. If you want to elevate your business, the key is having quality content in a popular niche, delivered to the right audience at the right time. That's how you establish authority and make your mark in the publishing industry. But let's be honest, creating a course from scratch is no easy task. The good news, I have a solution. What if I could hand you a complete, ready-made course that allows you to jump right into the self-publishing niche without the hassle? What if I could save you from the stress of product creation and provide you with a fully functional, in-demand business model? Today, I'm giving you access to a brand new, 100% unique PLR product. Introducing Self-Publishing Kingship, a complete guide to self-publishing with full, unrestricted PLR rights. This is one of the hottest topics in digital business, and this PLR blueprint provides an end-to-end guide for anyone interested in self-publishing, from manuscript creation to marketing their book on Amazon. Packed with actionable strategies, expert insights, and proven techniques, Self-Publishing Kingship is the ultimate roadmap for anyone looking to achieve success in self-publishing. This course contains everything your audience needs to start their publishing journey, maximize their book's reach, and build a sustainable income stream. And here's the best part. You get full private label rights. You can sell it for 100% profit, edit it, rebrand it, put your name as the author, use it as a lead magnet, integrate it into a membership site, add it to your blog, whatever fits your business goals. This is not some low-quality, quick-fix PLR package. Our team has put in the time and effort to ensure that you're getting a high-quality, well-researched, and highly valuable PLR package with all the materials needed to sell and profit. We've done all the heavy lifting for you. You're getting a total of 13 comprehensive modules covering every aspect of self-publishing on Amazon KDP. The pack includes editable ebook, video lessons, complete checklist, a mind map, a high-converting sales page, thank you page, captivating video sales letter, PowerPoint presentation, done-for-you email swipes, a graphics vault, license certificates, and more. Plus, you'll get an exclusive bonus report, 5-minute guide to self-publishing, along with a fully designed landing page to start building your list and making sales from day one. This is a complete PLR package that saves you countless hours and substantial costs if you were to outsource each part individually. With self-publishing Kingship, you don't need to waste time researching the self-publishing market. No need to hire expensive copywriters or graphic designers, and no need to spend endless hours creating content from scratch. Starting a course from zero takes time. Time that could be spent growing your business and expanding your reach. Why start from scratch when you have a ready-made, high-quality product right at your fingertips? And if you act fast, you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses available for a limited time. This offer won't last long, so if the bonuses are still listed below, you're in luck. Now, for an extremely limited time, we're offering this entire PLR package at an unbeatable price. Don't let the low price deceive you. One of our core principles is providing you with exceptional value. So we're offering this premium PLR package with high converting materials at a fraction of the usual price. I want to keep my promise. You can get everything you see on this page for an incredibly affordable investment, but don't delay. Once the timer hits zero, the price will increase significantly. No ongoing fees, no subscriptions. Just one low price for a complete PLR package designed to generate ongoing profits from just a single sale. Let me ask you this. Have you ever thought about publishing your own book, but felt overwhelmed by the process? Or maybe you've wondered how others are turning their passion for writing into a steady income. With no need for a publisher, upfront costs, or even physical storage, self-publishing is one of the most accessible paths to creating a profitable online business. Self-publishing Kingship is the ultimate guide for helping aspiring authors navigate the world of self-publishing on Amazon. We cover everything from crafting a manuscript and formatting for KDP to marketing strategies and leveraging Amazon's tools for maximum reach. Imagine giving your audience the know-how to publish and promote their books effectively, reach readers worldwide, and build a lasting brand. With self-publishing Kingship, you'll empower your customers to turn their ideas into published works, whether they're writers, entrepreneurs, or creatives. Don't miss your chance to establish yourself in this profitable niche. Even beginners can see that this is a unique opportunity that doesn't come often. And to make this a completely risk-free decision, we're backing it with a 30-day money-back guarantee. We're so confident that this is the best investment you'll make today. We're taking on all the risk. There's no way to lose with this winning deal if you act now. So why wait? Click the order button below and let self-publishing Kingship set you on the path to financial freedom and success.